The roots of Clan Rose trace back to Normandy, France, where the family had connections to influential figures, including Otto, the brother of William the Conqueror. Their ancestral lands near Caen played a role in shaping their early history. Interestingly, the clan's story takes an unexpected turn as they disappear from records in Wiltshire and Dorset, only to reappear in the Moray Firth area during the 13th century. A pivotal moment in Clan Rose's history occurred when Elizabeth de Bisset married Andrew de Bosco, whose daughter, Marie, married Hugo de Ross. This union saw the establishment of Kilravock as the clan's home, a designation that continues to this day. Kilravock's significance goes beyond being a home. It became a symbol of Scottish independence when the Bartons of Kilravock captured Invernairn Castle for Bruce in 1306. Clan Rose's heritage was further enriched when Hugh, IV of Kilravock, married Janet Chisholm, bringing extensive lands at Strathnairn, and a unique addition to the family's coat of arms. The rose shield, adorned with water bouquets, alluded to the Crusades, and the union with Janet Chisholm added her family's boar's head, a symbol that still adorns the clan's arms today. In the midst of turbulent times and unruly neighbours, the 7th Baron built the Tower of Kilravock around 1460. This formidable fortress not only provided protection but also symbolized the Roses' determination to stand their ground. Throughout their history, the Roses entered into alliances with neighboring clans to strengthen their position. Clan Rose faced challenges and changing loyalties during the centuries. They supported the Reformation but also opposed religious policies. The 13th Baron signed the National Covenant and even led his clan against Montrose at the Battle of Aldham. Yet, their loyalty to the monarchy remained strong, as exemplified when they raised a regiment of dragoons to rescue King Charles I. The clan's modern history saw them supporting the government during the Jacobite Rising of 1715 and providing shelter to Prince Charles Edward Stuart on the eve of the Battle of Culloden. In more recent times, Lieutenant Colonel Hugh Rose, the 24th Baron of Kilravock, had a distinguished military career, commanding the 1st Battalion, the Black Watch. Today, Kilravock remains the clan's seat and the family's home, a testament to their enduring legacy. It also serves as a Christian guest house, reflecting the Roses' Christian traditions and the convictions of Madame Rose.